Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to play You Are My Sunshine on the piano. So before we get started, let's go ahead and get our hands out in front of us and we're going to number off our fingers starting from our pinkies. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so let's get started. This is a pretty simple song. There's only about 3 to 4 chords. And we, of course, are going to play in the key of C to make it really easy and simple for us. So let's get our hands set up first. So we're going to find middle C, just right next door. We're going to place our left hand thumb or our first finger there and allow each finger to fall in a key. Your left hand is always going to stay here. It's never going to move. It doesn't need to. And then for our right hand, we're going to find higher C, place our pinky or our fifth finger, and allow each finger to fall in a key. So our hands are always going to stay put here. We're just going to have a little bit of movement in our thumb, but besides that, it stays put. So we could really just, calm ourselves, calm our fingers, calm our hands down, and just focus on the notes. So the first chord is C major, and to play this in our left hand, our thumbs are already there. And for our right hand, we're going to be playing C major, not in root position, but in first inversion. So what that means is we're just going to move our thumb over to E, right next door, and then we're going to play our first, second, and fifth finger, which is E, G, and C, and all together. Very nice. And to make it a little bit extra, we're going to add our dominant seventh. So we're going to move our fourth finger to B flat and play that again. And then F major, our left hand, our pinky's on F. And then once we put our fingers back into home base for this song, we're going to play 1, 3, 5. Back to C. Back to F. Back to C. And then for this one, it's going to be G, dominant 7. So our fourth finger in our left hand's on G. And then in our right hand, when we go back to home base, we're going to play our first, second, and fourth fingers all together. Back to C major. It's a great job. You could go ahead and do this again. It's very simple. Starting from C major, add that B flat, go to F major, G major, G dominant 7th, back to C. Awesome job. All right, so after you practice that for a little bit, you could play and sing at the same time. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Please don't take my sunshine away.